Welcome to Tapster. Let's activate your new wearable together. First, make sure to remove your phone case. Also, have your bank card ready. Then download the Tapster app from App Store or Google Play. Open the app and link your bank card to your new wearable. Setup takes just a few minutes. Once you're done, you're all set. Just tap to pay. Now let's find the NFC spot. On iPhone, it's at the top left corner. During activation, keep your phone and wearable completely still on a flat surface, like a table. We've covered the basics. Let's start the activation. Download the Tapster app. Click on Register and enter your details. Then choose to activate your wearable. Place your phone on top of the wearable on a flat surface. After connecting, make sure your email is correct, then click Next. Now enter your details, then click Next to continue. Read through the terms and conditions and click I accept. Your ring is now creating a secure token from your card. This takes about a minute. Keep your phone and wearable still during the process. If an error message appears, simply try again. Make sure you have a good internet connection. If Wi-Fi doesn't work, switch to mobile data. When the connection is complete, finish activation by approving in your bank or selecting your preferred option. That's it. You're ready to tap and pay.